Today, I'll show you how to add a lens flare transition to your video for a stylish cinematic look. Let's get started. First, import two video clips into the timeline and place them side by side. Next, head over to the transitions panel and search for cinematic. You'll see several options. Drag and drop the cinematic light leak transition between your two clips. Once the transition is applied, you can adjust its duration by dragging the edges on the timeline or fine-tuning the settings from the right side editing panel. You'll also notice that Filmora offers different transition modes like prefix, overlap, and postfix, which let you control exactly how the transition interacts with your clips. If needed, enable the Include Trimmed Frames option to ensure a smooth effect even on trimmed clips. And that's it. You've just added a lens flare style transition to your video in Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips.